Okay, welcome to Mike's Tech Mind. Today we're going to cover Blue Microphones, Sherpa software, and why it crashes. So first we're going to come over and we're going to start the software. And you're going to see it says, oh no, right there. There it is. Oh no. And then it crashes. And there it goes. So what we found is the Logitech unifying adapter is interfering with the software. It's the device list or device ID, not sure exactly. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove that adapter and then start the software. And there it is. You're going to see the Blue Yeti there. It's grayed out, but we'll cover that in a minute. The other thing you're going to notice is I have a blue snowball connected through the USB hub, and it's not showing. So we're going to disconnect it from the hub, connect it directly to the computer, and it should show up in about 10 seconds. So what we found is the USB hub doesn't let the ID go through to the software for some reason, so just be aware of that. So that's it, and we'll move on to the Blue Yeti and what's going on there. So we're going to go ahead and click that. That says Open G-Hub, and that's a Logitech software. And here it is. Here's the Yeti and all the settings. It's got all sorts of things here that you can do with it. If you want us to demo the software, let us know in the comments. We'll get back to the Blue Sherpa software. Open it back up. So there might be other peripherals that are causing this problem. So just play around with your peripherals and all that. The reason why a Logitech item would be doing that is Logitech owns Blue microphones. So that's why the device IDs might be clashing. So just be aware of that. Please support the channel by clicking one of the options below. If the solution was helpful, please let us know in the comments. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.